Hello, today we'll explore 40 plus great ideas for small spaces. How to furnish a small room to make it feel airy and uncluttered. That's a concern for many people, whether they live in an apartment or a house. Today, we bring you a few tips and ideas on how to work magic with space. Color. Black slims down. This also applies to painting walls in a house or apartment. If you need to expand the space, choose light colors. The room will feel airy and clean. Light shades should also dominate the furniture. To liven up the room, opt for brighter colors and accessories, for example, turquoise or yellow cushions. Mirrors in the room. A mirror is perhaps the most traditional solution for optically enlarging a small room. You can place a mirror above a chest of drawers or a table. A wardrobe with a mirror is also a suitable solution. A wardrobe in a small room should have sliding doors, which saves even more space. Storage space wherever possible. Does it seem impossible to fit a bed, wardrobe, table, and still create as much storage space as possible in a small room? Try to think about where else you could place a shelf or drawer.